Hello and welcome to a new section called Keygens. Keygens is short for key generators, also known as serial key generators. What is a keygen? A keygen is a piece of program that generates serial keys for software. And you can write a keygen after studying the disassembled code to understand how the serial key is created. However, writing a keygen requires some knowledge of at least assembly language and even C language if you are intending to create a keygen with the C programming language. And a keygen can be either a graphical user interface keygen, which is complete with input boxes and also buttons that you can click on, or it can be a simple command line interface keygen. There are two types of keygens. Number one, self-keygen. Self-keygen is where you use the software that you are cracking in order to display to you the serial key itself. So in self-keygen, you need not have to write a separate program. However, you need to crack the software in the normal way, which we have learned, to find out how the serial key is being generated. And that requires some knowledge of assembly programming or the assembly language. And once you find how the serial key is being created, then you need to modify the code so that it will display to you the serial key somehow, either using a message box or some dialog or even the input text box. So self-keygen is easier to do compared with the second option, which I will be discussing next. And normally self-keygen is all you need in order to create a key generator. If you are going to do the second way, which is called external keygen, then you need to know assembly programming language in more detail. So in this external keygen, you are actually creating a separate program, a complete standalone program that will have some way for you to input either your name or some other ID, and then from there it will generate a serial key for you. So before you can write external keygen, you will need to be able to somehow export or copy part of the source code that comes with the disassembled program. And that code is where the serial key is being generated or created. So every program will have different algorithms that create the serial key, and if you are intending to do it this way, you still need to first understand how the serial key is being created. So that requires you to understand the code itself, same as in the first method. Now external keygen can be command line based or GUI based. So it doesn't matter, it does not mean that a GUI based keygen is better than the command line one. The important thing is that it works. So in the next lesson onwards, we'll start taking a look at the practical aspects of how to create keygens. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.